Hi Professor, my name is Pinakin Patel and I am going to walk through with our literature review on the vending machine design with kiosk, and our project is a group project. So in that we are two people, Saeed and Pinakin Patel, and behalf of both I am going to represent this the project of the literature review. So our introduction, our this is the first slide. In our introduction, we are going to design the vending machine with the kiosk. This type of the concept is really nice in this modern era. In this, we are introduced what is the vending machine. Vending machine is an electronic machine which is used to sell the product in certain amount of money and without any human help. That machine is like automatic machines. When you have give some inputs and some amount of money, then you will get the project as well as you choose from that machine. So in this project, our goal is to implement the vending machine which has various handy items like snacks, water bottles and whatever, and we are also going try to implement with the online transactions, so that you can use the software that you use in online, and you can order it, and right now you can get from the vending machine as well as. So in this vending machine, you put some insert accept as a coin, and user select the product from the kiosk display, and as well as you can check the money is equivalent of products money, and give the back to the change to the customer returns, and and also the function that the admin can use reset the all function of the machines. So according to this our project, I make some literature review, here we introduce some history. The history of vending machine is like it will be invented by the hero of Alexandria, is engineer and mathematician of the Roman Egypt. They made a vending machine that you put some coins and you will get in play, you will get some holy water. So this is purely based on the mechanism. Only used some mechanical stuff. There is no any kind of electronic stuff or programming code at that time. After that, some evolution become, and some modern vending machine will be invented that will be operated with the coins only, and which was introduced in the London in early 80s. So in that vending machine used just for the postcard. After that, some evolution, they will use some stationery stuff like postcard, greeting cards, pens and that stuff. In 1980, Stockwerk, the German chocolate manufacturing, was selling the chocolate with the help of the vending machine, more than 15,000 in all over the Germany. So later on, they also used selling the cigarettes and matches and chewing gum with the help of this vending machine. After that, some evolution began, and I will, as per my research, I got some useful stuff from the for the related my topic, and that is the Muhammad Asif and Muhammad Yusuf, two students from the University of Malaysia, that designed the vending machine with the LCD display. In that, the vending machine has a typical traditional kind of the mechanism, same like you have insert some coins and press the button and you will get the product, but they implemented LCD. In that you can check your whole process, like which kind of how much amount of you insert the coins in the vending machine, that shows on display the selected item which is going shows on display. Then they also showing that processing stuff, that it will take some time and how much time it will go and take. Also sometimes clock they have display in that LCD display. So this is some evolution stuff in this vending machine that made in 2016, guys. This is really interesting stuff, because the user can how the at the wait stage your process is gonna be there, so user can see that your this is your first job is done, then second and last which stage your whole process is going on. Then the next Next is my research is on that. I see that some of people using some evolutionary stuff made for the like products or traditional and general, like right now the era the product vending machine sells only like food stuff, packaging stuff, ready-made products, which is very handy and that kind of stuff. But in 2015, a team of IEFT College of Engineering in a mechanical department, they designed a paper automatic paper vending machine. In that you have to insert some coin, amount of the coin, and you will get the paper. So the basic basic idea of this kind of the vending machine is that they have to put this kind of vending machine at the educational institute, government offices, driving license offices, that sometimes you need to write a thing to handy paper, you need some paper to write something or whatever you need. So at that time you will use some kind of coins, and you will get that number of the papers from easily and very handy, and you don't have to go to your stationery shop or near about, and don't waste your time for that. This is a really evolution stuff in the vending machine design. So among this all research, I also we have some make some research yet. Right now we just check out from the all kind of vending machine, and we find some interesting stuff from the vending machine at the Baltimore airport. So there is a one kiosk, there is a one vending machine. This is basically designed by the Google, and which is give some free stuff with some kind of efforts, like efforts like you have to, there is a one kiosk design, they have provide you some questions, and there is another option you can have to play some games. So in that you have, they ask some question and you have to give the answer. If your all answer are correct, and you will get some free gift from the vending machine. Or if you, and there is another option, you have to play some games. If you play games properly and you win, and you will get some free stuff from the vending machine. This is right now this is a promotional stuff. They are give some free product because of the promotional stuff they are researching on the Google 5 project. So among this all research, my our actual goal is that we have to design some machines that also sell the traditional product, like some handy stuff, food, snacks, beverages, and electronic stuff. Right now you can also buy mobiles, handset, and sprays from the vending machine. There are a lot of vending machine available in the market, so you will get that electronic stuff. So we have to design that vending machine, that kind of product, including with kiosk design, that you can there is no like traditional function stuff, like you have to insert the coin, then you have to press the buttons and whatever. No, you can also use your credit card in that, and there is a kiosk design. You can see the whole kind of the design, products available in the kiosk, the options which you have, what kind of the options you have. Also you we some improve insert the some functions, like there is a redeem card or gift cards. If you have some gift cards, and you have to insert that digit or some particular gift card value, so you can use the gift card code, and you will get the stuff from the kiosk machine. So that's all for this our literature review about our project on the vending machine design with the kiosk help. This is some reference, and thank you.